Successful project called Super Diamond, which is used throughout the industry. It's been really, really powerful. This is that next level, next generation version, where we've rearranged some of the geometry and provided a bigger bed, more footwell space, more clearance between the bed and the meal table, room for a bigger monitor, a full privacy door that we have fully certified, higher walls, kind of a privacy, you can call it the halo effect on the top of the shell, which prevents some of the line of sight when you're sleeping. People walking down the aisle, you get a little bit more privacy from them.
Using lace technology and RFID and locking systems, we can transform 16-inch closets. To 2.5 meters of living space for passengers. This also allows us to be able to do additional branding opportunities, co-branding with airlines, promotional items, areas for ancillary sales, things like that.
Two generations of our panel that would be embedded into an aircraft structure. It has the lighting capability to do design, animation, logos, whatever you would be interested in. Up above here, we have our second generation of this, which is fully pixelated and powered by our micro LED technology. Able to have a customized scene and customized applications for the aircraft. So I can walk you through a few of the scenes that we have. So you get a lot of the animation dynamic scenes that are embedded right into an aircraft structure, fully scalable. You could do this with 1-inch by 1-inch pixel tiles that are embedded through this. And then the next generations of this, as the technology moves, is pixel by pixel customization. I'll show you a little bit of the application here of the software, how this works. So full color application, through dynamic scenes that are selected, and yeah, whatever a customer or airline would like to see.